What's up everyone? Today I'm going to replace a neutral safety switch on a 2005 Honda Pilot, and this thing's been very good to me. It's got 191,000 miles on it and I'm trying to keep it going. This is what it looks like. There's the part number. What we're going to do is take off this cover right here, and the part will be underneath. As you can see, I loosened it up a little bit, so you don't have to watch me undo the whole thing. And there is the part. We're going to take two more of these off. There it is. So, we're going to put this thing back on. Maybe. Make sure it's all the way in. Okay, I'm going to snap it in and we'll give it a little test, make sure it works. It also helps if I have my keys. And we're good. Okay, we've got the cover back on. Just 4 10mm bolts, and we are all done. So save yourself 2 hours of charges at the dealer. You can do this one yourself. If you have any questions, let me know. I am not a certified mechanic, but hey, this is an easy one.